The 1966 Ford Mustang convertible.
Yeah.
Vintage Burgundy over Parchment. This is a good driver quality. It's got some GT add-ons that are not factory. It wasn't a factory GT car, but it's got some of that on it. The 289 cubic inch 2-barrel with a C4 automatic. So it's a driver. It's a fun driver. And you don't have to have a 4-barrel, and you don't have to have a manual transmission. As a matter of fact, I'd argue that driving your Mustang around town would be more fun with an automatic than it was for a 4-speed.
For sure.
So with a 4-speed, if you go over about 45, 50 miles an hour, it's going to feel like you need another gear. With an automatic, it doesn't do that. So I think you would get much more enjoyment out of it that way. Nothing wrong with the 4-speed or a 5-speed or whatever you decide to do. But as far as enjoyable, and the 2-barrel is plenty of fuel to the engine. It works just fine.
And it's convertible.
And it's convertible. And it's burgundy over Parchment.
Very nice.
Oh, Parchment is just a fancy name for white.
Yeah.